Anna, and in today's video I'm going to be transforming the inside of my car from basic to luxury. Everything you see in this video can be found on Amazon.com. In the description below I will leave a link to a list where you can find everything. Let's get decorating.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
So first off, I'm just showing you guys what it looked like before. As you can see, everything pretty much still looks the same as in my car tour video, besides the brown steering wheel cover, which definitely did not match. First off, I put these cute little disco balls on the headrest, and then I added this rhinestone studded seatbelt cover, which is a lifesaver, may I add, because that will keep food and dirt and grime off of your seatbelt, leaving it stain free. Then we have these cute little rhinestone rings. Let's see how many times I say rhinestone in this video. Guys, I was so happy to find this steering wheel cover because it matches these seatbelt covers perfectly. However, I was not aware putting it on was going to be a two-person job. My mom and I had to bring out the butter knives. These handles are definitely a must because getting into a Jeep is not easy. As you may know from my car tour, I named my Jeep NASA, so when I saw this, I just knew I had to get it. The gear shift already had a leather covering, so I just added a black scrunchie and two bracelets that ended up matching perfectly. This is what it looks like so far. These serve as a place to hang your purse or bag and decoration, which is a 2-in-1. Then I went ahead and added these seatbelt covers to the back, and this rhinestone tire cap. I also got these rhinestone license plate borders, however for privacy reasons I will not be putting them on in the video. Yes, this all looks beautiful at daytime, but wait until you see it at night. These are the Govee brand lights. These lights have like a billion settings and everything can be controlled either by the remote that is attached or on your phone. There's different modes and many different colors. Right now I'm going to change them to blue. You can also customize a specific shade or change it to another color. Personally, red is my favorite, however purple is definitely a close second. Here's a view of the back. That's the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below. Again, if you have not seen my car tour, that video is still live on my channel, and anything that you saw in this video is in the description box down below. Everything can be found on Amazon.com. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!
1, 2,